Hello guys and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I released a new update for the Learnomatic plugin. The Learnomatic plugin is the affiliate Udemy online course affiliate plugin. So using this you will be able to import affiliate links from Udemy and create posts for each online course from there. And like this you will be able to earn an affiliate revenue by promoting Udemy courses. So in this update I just released for the Learnomatic plugin, you will be able to import full course description, because this was not possible until now. So let me show you how this works. So let us import some courses here. Let us import 2 courses, and the plugin was updated, and this checkbox was added to rule settings. So if you go to rule settings, you will see here get full description for courses, and let's uncheck this now. So let's leave this unchecked and let's import some posts to see how it worked until now. So let me show you how this worked until now. So these are the courses, and this was the full description that the plugin was able to import until now. But however, starting from now, if you check this checkbox, the item content shortcode will be replaced with a much longer description of the course that you are importing. So I checked this save settings, deleted all posts, and now I already imported them. And if we go and refresh our blog, we will see that a full description is available now for the course. So this is a really nice update for the plugin, and you should totally check this out and go ahead and check this checkbox. You should benefit of the full description for the courses that you are importing. So this is all for now. I hope you will enjoy this new feature for the Learnomatic plugin, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and have a great day. Bye bye.